Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new to the channel, I'm Rebecca, and today you're going to do a cook with me. We do some crock pot cooking or using an Instant Pot on slow cooker mode. We're making some hot Reuben dip. This is a creamy Reuben dip appetizer recipe that is really quick and easy to put together. You can bring this if you're going to a St. Patrick's Day gathering or just in the mood for a simple recipe with all the flavors of a Reuben sandwich. This appetizer will stay nice and hot in your slow cooker or Instant Pot on the slow cook function. And you can serve with a number of different style chips or crackers or pieces of bread for a delicious snack. So let's head to our Instant Pot and we'll add some ingredients to put together our hot Reuben dip. Alright, so here I have my 3-quart Instant Pot. I really enjoy using this for appetizers, doing some hard-boiled eggs, and if I'm doing a side dish, I can use the smaller Instant Pot here and use my larger ones for the main dish or things like that. So for our recipe we're doing today, our hot Reuben dip, this appliance works perfectly. You could also certainly use a slow cooker or a crock pot. So first what we need to do is add our ingredients. So we will add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Next we'll add about 1 cup of corned beef. So if you made a corned beef and cabbage meal for St. Patrick's Day or for dinner, you had some leftovers, you could use that up. Or you could also use corned beef from the deli and just cut that up to the desired size pieces that you want for your hot Reuben dip. So we'll add that in with our cream cheese. And then we'll add 1 cup of sauerkraut that we drained and then squeezed out the excess liquid with paper towels. I'll be using my homemade sauerkraut. You can check out my video on how I home ferment sauerkraut. I did a variety of different flavors. This is the caraway seed flavor, which is my favorite for homemade sauerkraut using green cabbage. So about 1 cup of sauerkraut. Next we'll add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. And about 1 cup of a shredded Swiss cheese. I really like the shredded Swiss and Gruyere cheese mixed together. So I have about 1 cup of shredded Swiss and Gruyere cheese there. And then if you want to add a little extra flavor to your hot Reuben dip, you can add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. That's totally optional. I happen to like the flavor that brings to the dip. So now all I need to do is turn my slow cooker on or my Instant Pot to slow cook mode, and it's on normal for 1 hour. I'll add it to 2 hours. I'll just mix in a little bit and I'll add the lid. So now we'll let our hot Reuben dip come up to temperature, and I'll continue to stir it to let it become a nice creamy dip for us, and then we'll have a taste. Alright, so this has been cooking for about a 1/2 hour. So let's remove the lid here. Look how creamy and cheesy this is. Now I just did a single batch. You could certainly double, triple, quadruple, whatever you needed for the size portion you had for your number of guests coming to visit or for the party you may be going to. This serves really nicely with rye chips, cocktail rye bread, or even crackers. Triscuits work really well. Let me just take a little piece off here. So we have the nice pieces of corned beef and sauerkraut with the creamy cream cheese and sour cream, the melty Swiss cheese. So delicious. When you pair this dip with the rye flavored crackers or bread or chips, then you really get that Reuben flavor and it satisfies that craving you might have. This is a really fun and easy appetizer or snack to have for St. Patrick's Day or any time that you're in the mood for some corned beef and sauerkraut goodness. As I said earlier, you can use leftover corned beef from a previous meal, or you could also use lunch meat from the deli. That works wonderfully for this quick and easy dip that you can prepare in your slow cooker or Instant Pot on slow cook mode. If you'd like more inspiration or ideas on recipes that you can create using leftover corned beef or corned beef from the deli as well, you can check out a number of recipes that I have on the topic. If you'd like to learn how to make your own homemade sauerkraut, I have a number of videos on both green and red cabbage where I did a home fermentation process and then canned that for storage. You can check out those videos for more information. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing, and I really appreciate you spending time with me in the kitchen today. Well, if you enjoyed this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you're having a great day. See you next time. Take care.